Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share, which is a card that I made. And I'm going to tell y'all something that I haven't made a card in a while. I've been off and on making them, but I'm going to have to start making them more often because I really enjoy making cards. And the digit you're looking at here is from Mindless Crafting, and I will try to link her shop down below in the comment section. And what I done is the background you see here, okay, this right here, this part here, okay, is just this napkin. Okay, I saw someone do it, but I put my touch to it, and I like the way I did it. There's plenty of ways to do this, but I did it my way. Okay, and I also took some scraps from my scrap bin and made some little scrap lines to go in it. The only thing, I made sure I had yellow in it and to go with the napkin, and the blue on the two puzzle piece hearts is in the napkin. And then I took some flat back pearls and put 3 here in the corner here, okay, 1 here and 1 here. Now the inside, I'm gonna cover something up so you guys don't see what I have written. And all I did on the inside was that same piece you'll see on the front, and took one of the puzzle pieces from her digi, like this, okay, and I colored it, then I stamped it, and I just glued it right onto my card. Now I didn't put the sentiment on the outside because I wanted it only on the inside. Now the 2 hearts, my printer sometimes prints on cardstock, sometimes it don't. But when it doesn't, what I do is print it on regular printer paper, do what I have to do, then I glue it with some art glitter glue to my cardstock and then cut it out. And then I also pop dotted both of them to the card, and I like the way it came out. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below the video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see all the videos that I post. And also, be kind, be caring, be well, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.